Hey everybody, welcome back to Jordan Samuel Skin Talks. How you doing? Okay, you might be able to hear my voice because we are in the depths of spring, getting really close to summer, and the spring allergies are acting up. But that is why I'm here to talk to you. I wanted to do another video, sort of a refresh, best tips and tricks for the after show body cleanser. This is probably our most misunderstood or misused product. The people that get it, they understand it, they love it, they come back for more. Those that don't. But I'm here to set the record straight, get you on the straight and narrow, best tips and tricks, why you would use this, who it's for, how to use it, give a little demo just on my hands, and then you can take advantage of the lovely sale that's going on currently, which is buy one for 25% off, buy two or more for 50% off. So if you're buying two, it's essentially buy one, get one, and then more, etc. You got it, you got it. So the After Show Body Cleanser is an extension of the After Show line. I wanted to create a beautiful gel to oil body cleanser. There's lovely oil cleansers on the market, body cleansers, but if you've used them, they all have a bit of a bubble. Some less, some more, but it's still a surfactant body wash. Totally understand why they're doing it. I did not want to create the same thing as others. So we took that sugar-based technology that is in our facial cleansers, brought it to the body cleanser. So this has oil esters, it has vegetable oil, it has passion fruit oil, it has grapeseed oil, it has sodium hyaluronate, it has that sucrose laurate, that oil thickening ingredient, which gives it that lovely gel to oil to milk texture. And most importantly, for those of you who want the beautiful sensory experience, it has that lovely mango, tangerine, orange, lemon, lime, mandarin aromatic extract scent. So this body cleanser basically is for not two types of people. There's going to be two main ways and reasons why you are going to use this. One is right now. We're about to head into summer. We're doing SPF not just on face and neck, but we're doing it head to toe. How many times have we worn SPF, gone to the beach, gone to the pool, reapplied? We've been good little SPF students. But then we hop in the shower, we use soap or shower gel, we just do a single cleanse, and you can almost feel that the SPF is still there. It's sticky, you can smell it. It's the worst. It is the worst. So one of the reasons I created this was for that. With that being said, you're gonna take a bit of this, if you have that SPF body situation going on, dry hands, dry body. Massage it in, break it all down. The oils and the oil esters in this are going to help to break down that SPF. Then you're going to hop into the shower, start to rinse. It's going to immediately turn into a milk. You can leave it as is, or you can follow up with, especially if you've SPF on, with a second cleanse, and you will feel amazing. The skin will feel amazing. It'll be clean but not stripped. Your SPF will be removed. Even following this up with a second cleanser, this is so nourishing and so hydrating, just like our facial cleansers. This is not going to strip or dehydrate the skin. And my God, that scent. So super easy peasy, dry hands, dry body, jump into the shower, rinse, turns into a milk, follow with a second cleanse, et voila. The other reason I created this was those oil body cleansers had that foaming, bubbling agent, which yes, you can formulate those to be gentle, but I wanted something that was truly unique and a true gel to oil to milk, absolutely no bubble. With that being said, this really shouldn't be used. You can if you want, like on a rag or a sponge, but do not put this in your loofah. I would recommend really not using it on a washcloth or a sponge. You're gonna get much more bang for your buck just using your hands with this cleanser. So if you're super dry skin, or it's the middle of winter in New York with the radiator heat, and just itchy and tight, and you run out of the shower to put on your moisturizer, start treating your body skin the same way you treat your facial skin in the shower with TLC. So then you can jump into the shower, and what I do to get this going a long way is I use this on all my dry extremities, my arms, my torso, my legs. I use my soap or shower gel on my bits, right? Armpits, crotch, butt, etc. that just extends the life of this. Sometimes my legs are totally fine and my arms are bone dry. Sometimes my arms are totally fine and my legs are bone dry. So I just sort of spot treat with this as the cleanser during the winter months, or anytime I'm feeling dry. Full body cleanse, summer, removing that SPF. Now in the winter, you can still absolutely use it just like you would our facial cleansers, or just like you would when you have the SPF, and do dry hands, dry body before you jump into the shower, almost as a pre-cleanse, follow up with a second cleanse. Or, like I just said, wet hands, wet body, it immediately turns into a really nice, gentle cleansing milk. Cleanse with that, follow up with a second cleanser if you like, or then just do, you know, your soap or shower gel on your bits. Easy peasy. Once you get that part down, which as you can hear is super easy, it is transformative for your body skin. Amazing aroma, amazing ingredients, sodium hyaluronate, vegetable oil, oil esters, grapeseed oil, passion fruit oil, that beautiful aromatic extract blend of mango, orange, tangerine, mandarin, lemon, lime, vanilla, yum. I just have this little bottle of water here to show you if you're not familiar. So I still have this dry hands, dry body here. I'm just gonna add water to it so you can see how it turns into a milk. As you can see, that's exactly what's gonna happen as you step into the shower faucet. It's going to turn into a milk. Separately, I'm going to show you, just so you know, now that my hand is completely dry again, I'm gonna douse it with water, just so you can see if you were doing wet hands, wet body. So this is now just being massaged into, as it's dripping everywhere. So this is what's gonna happen if you're doing wet hands, wet body in the shower. It's just this really luscious cleansing cream, cleansing milk that's uber hydrating, amazing smell. Rinse it off, follow with a second cleanse, leave it be, or just treat the rest of your bits with your soap or shower gel. Other version, dry hands, dry body, breaking down your SPF, following with a second cleanse. It is a game changer, especially this summer, but then going forward into fall and winter afterwards. This is our after show body cleanser. Buy one, get 25% off. Buy two or more, get 50% off. The retail is $37. I don't know the math on the 25% off, but I do know that obviously if you're buying two, you're getting two for $37. So it's a buy one, get one essentially. And then 50% off each additional one. That is through June 1st or until supplies last on jordansamuelskin.com. So come on over and get your skin ready for the summer. Until next time, bye.